Now, I don't follow the hollow earth belief. That one's a little far-fetched for me. But the flat earth makes sense because I can actually see it. I've been trying to access the ice wall in Antarctica for years, ever since the 50s when Admiral Byrd found something down there. What did they do? They sent up nuclear bombs into the atmosphere. To do what? What are they trying to blow up? It's because they found the edge. They found the edge of the dome and they were trying to blow through it. You can't get out of it. So there was no way they could have went to the moon. The moon is its own light source. It is not a reflector of the sunlight. It's its own light, and it's actually cooler than sunlight. You can actually do tests where you can measure the temperature of the moonlight compared to the shade at nighttime, and it's cooler. If it was a reflector of the sun's light, you'd think that it would be warmer. But it's not. It's cooler. How does that make sense? So it's not a reflector of the sun. It's its own light, and you're being lied to. Lied. NASA was formed by a bunch of Nazi scientists after World War II. You really want to believe those guys? They were the start of NASA. I mean, the people behind the scenes for the largest genocide in human history. You want to believe those guys? You're nuts. But what do I know? I'm just a cute, cuddly forest creature. I'm just crawling around on this flat ground, looking up at the heavens above me. But I've got eyes in my head and a brain, and I know when I'm being deceived. So you're being lied to! If you want to believe a bunch of guys teaching you that we came from monkeys, we live on a ball, there's millions and millions of stars, I'm just going to be sitting here in my forest, telling the truth, exposing the lies. You think I'm crazy? Go ahead and think that.